Hey Coco, do you know what today is?
Boxycharm.
It's Boxycharm Day. Hey everybody, we're back if you're new. Thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, and I keep saying like this is my last box and then the next month I get another box. But no, I screwed up, and when I canceled the base, but I did not go in and separately cancel Luxe. And then my husband was like, hey, they charged me $50. And I was like, I canceled it. And then I went and looked and I did not cancel it. So I canceled the Luxe then. And then when I got the tracking for the Luxe yesterday, which is weird that I got the tracking yesterday and it showed up yesterday also. But when I got the tracking, I went and checked my account and I'm still signed up for the base box. So you know what, I need to check that now. I thought, okay, well maybe it'll take a couple days because I canceled the subscription again. Let's see. It still says active. Let's cancel it again. Oh, I didn't scroll to the bottom after pushing cancel. So, okay, cancel anyway. Subscription has been canceled. Okay. That's why I have been canceling it wrong the entire time. Let's get into it, y'all. Let me tell you, I looked in this box. Okay, I looked. And now I'm like, damn. This is actually an okay box, and I didn't pick any of it because I didn't know it was coming, okay? When my husband said that they charged him, I thought I went in and canceled it, and then they would like just, you know, give him the money back and not send this one. But we got it. Okay, let's go through this box. I'm gonna do a little bit of rambling. Let me tell you, I haven't been feeling well the past, that's not gonna work, is it? Let's do it this way. I haven't been feeling well the past few days. I feel like it's allergies and stuff happening, but I haven't been feeling well, and we have a lot of shit happening, okay? Let's jump into it, and I'll ramble and do this at the same time. I was gonna say ramble and talk, but that's the same thing. Aceology, this is a detoxifying mask for your face. That's for your face. Well, I was thinking maybe what if this is for your hair? I don't know. It says cleanse and tone skin, open tube while holding upright, squeeze a generous amount, apply a layer, blah, blah, blah.
It came out.
What came out?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. I'll pop it back in a sec. Relax for 30 minutes, gently peel it off. This is $70. Damn, $70. We did get, let me find it. I don't think I've used it. This exfoliating, hydrating, we got a lip mask from them, and I put it with my lip stuff, and I never used it. Anyway, let's look at this. I feel like you really have to be cautious with those masks that you peel off because it could not be good for your skin. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but James Welsh, I feel like he has mentioned those masks that peel up. So I'll probably sell this on Poshmark because I have an extreme amount of skincare and I doubt I will use this. So anyway, this is cool, and I don't know, should I keep it, sell it? I don't know. We'll marinate on that one. Anyway, we are moving, y'all, and I am excited. Okay, so first we're going to Death Valley like in a week or two to spend like 2 nights so we can look at the stars. So I'm excited about that. And then we are also going to Hawaii. Yes, we're going to Hawaii in January. And yeah, in January we're going to Hawaii. We're going to stay there for a few days. I can see my grandfather and my mom, but my mom will be here in a few days. So we're going to have an Airbnb. I'm trying to look and see what is this called. We're going to have an Airbnb. This is okay, found it. We're going to have an Airbnb. My mom's going to stay there because she actually lives in Hawaii, but on a different island. So she's going to fly into that island that we're going to be on, and we'll all be there together, and that'll be great. This is a $50 anyway. $50. The Christine set includes a dual fiber cheek brush, a small angle, so it's more brushes. When I first opened this and I like pulled it out of this little plastic condom thing, I was like, did they send me a tumbler cup? Because honestly, I wouldn't be mad at that if they did, even though that's random. And then, oh yeah, I kept trying to twist it, but it's not a twist. It's a wiggle. Oh, it's upside down. It's a wiggle up, and you get, this is actually a really nice little protective case. You get 4 or 5 brushes. You're using a lot of my stuff. Okay. And the brush handles are like textured, and they say stuff. Oh, dual fiber, and then they have a number. This one is tapered, blending, angled, concealer, and then you have shadow. This is a nice little brush set. You know, and I just bought a freaking stippling brush. But this is nice. It's smaller too, so I'm not mad at this. Didn't we just get brushes from them last month? We got these, right? Sheesh, I'm not mad at it. You know, you can always use brushes, and this container is actually pretty nice. This is the first time I feel like in so many months that I was actually... This thing? Yeah. This is the first time in months I feel like that I'm actually like happy with a box. Like I'm genuinely happy. Let's carry on. We did get this from Cat Berkey. I don't know. Cat Berkey. Cat Berkey. It's a vitamin C intensive face cream. This is a honkin', I'm assuming it's a jar. 116 bucks, new brand to Boxy. They are coming through this month, y'all. Oh, it looks like it's a big box, but really this whole, like half of it is empty. Tricked. More than half of it is empty because... Let me show y'all. It's in this thing here. This had it up, sitting up to like right here, and then this thing. So that's how big it is. This feels pretty fancy though. Let's smell it. Oh, it has that thing on the top. It smells clean. Is that a description? Or maybe it's because I just washed my hands. Yeah, it smells clean. You want to smell?
I don't know.
Yeah, he wants to smell it. I don't know how to explain it. It smells clean. Let's do a texture test. Feels like a lotion, not like a water-based lotion, but like a very moisturizing lotion. But it also, I feel like a little bit goes a long way there. Okay, anyway, happy about this. I'm going to try it out. Okay, so in addition to the my mom coming, then going to Death Valley, and then flying to Hawaii. We are also moving next month, and we're going to start our road trip. We have signed the lease to our place. We have it's a small place. It's only 3 bedrooms, so I will not be having a makeup room anymore. These are Mama's brushes, okay? Okay? Play with your makeup. I will not be having a makeup room anymore, but there is an area off of the kitchen that I will set up as a small space. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of this. I only have enough space for like the desk, the lights, and then the dresser maybe. So we're gonna have to figure some stuff out, but we may not be staying there long because we are hoping to buy a place. Let's move on to the next thing. It is Kitsch. I don't know. Kitsch. It's a satin sleep set. So at first I was like, I don't really want this, but then I'm like, I'm not mad at it. How much does this cost? This retails for $36. So you get a satin pillowcase, you get the eye mask, and then you get a scrunchie. I feel like for the girls, a satin pillowcase would be good, and even for Mimian too. Feels nice, but then it's also like there's only one. Who only has one pillow? You have this thing. Oh, I love that this is adjustable. I love that. The reason I don't really love these is because I feel like it's just smashing my eyelashes down. Okay, not mad at that. I actually like that concept a lot. And then you have a cute little scrunchie that... you want that?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your hand. Good job. So yeah, moving. Super excited, you know. Set up a whole house, explore. We'll be in DC, so there's so much history. Very exciting stuff happening. Anyway, next thing we have is This is mascara, which y'all know I have a ton of mascaras and I don't need them. I'm not even wearing mascara today. $22. We'll put this to the side for a giveaway or sell it on Poshmark. I'll link my Poshmark below. Oh, you know what? I got this the other day and I thought, oh, you know what? I'm gonna love this. I don't even remember where I got it. It's a Physicians Formula Diamond Dust. I don't love it. It's got like a lot of like glittery flakes. I don't want that. Anyway, let's carry on. We got an eyeliner. I think this was a felt eyeliner. It said Persona. This is $14, 24-hour waterproof liner. What color? 24-hour. It doesn't say the... Oh yeah, it's in black. I cannot use... Yeah, no, I don't use liners, so we'll put that to the side. Maybe we'll do a little combo on on Poshmark. Okay, the next thing we have 2 more things left. The next thing we have is from Pharmacy, and it is $40 value. Honeymoon Glow Body. It has 12% AHA, BHA, resurfacing serum, and honey prickly pear, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it says this is a hydrating body serum, softens rough skin, helps eliminate bumps with 10% salicylic acid. So it's like a body thing. Let's smell it. Pretty sure it has a little black, not a little black thing, a little silver thing.
Know?
You smell that?
Yeah.
What's it smell like?
I don't know.
Let me smell. Does it have a smell? Let me smell. Doesn't have a smell. Okay. Let's smell it. Oh, it has a smell. This has a smell.
I'll wear my makeup in the hotel.
You're gonna wear your makeup in the hotel?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Yaya said I'll wear it.
Yaya said you can too?
I only want.
Yeah, this definitely has a smell. I don't know. I don't love the smell. Yeah, so let's just say I've been a little bit, I don't want to say I've been stressed out, but with the Death Valley thing, we struggled to find a hotel because we wanted to go on Christmas, and then it was like, why go there on Christmas when there's literally nothing there? You're in the desert, and then what they do have won't be open. So then we changed it to a different date, which is soon, and I should probably start preparing for that. And then randomly came up with this Hawaii trip, which was so random. It was just like my husband came to me one night and he was like, hey, you know, tickets to fly to Hawaii are like really cheap right now compared to what it would normally cost for a family of 6 to fly there. So I'm like, I don't know, you know, I'll call my mom, see what she's doing. So I call my mom and I'm like, hey, what are you doing on these dates? And she was like, nothing. Why? And I was like, oh, we're thinking about flying to Hawaii because the tickets are so cheap, and thought about getting, you know, like an Airbnb or something, and we all stay together. And she was like, oh, okay, great, get the Airbnb and I'll be there. And I was like, no, Mom, I'm saying this to you so you can get the Airbnb. And then she also is getting the van so that we all have a car too. So luckily this trip is it's not cheap. It'll, you know, the plane tickets were still pricey, but we're not paying for lodging or transportation, so that's good. And then even the Death Valley, she booked the hotel rooms, but that wasn't expensive because the nice places were like booked up. Even though we're not going on Christmas, they're still freaking booked. Anyway, that was just a little sharing. I'm sharing. Anyway, next thing, $150. Y'all, I don't think I have anything from Ofra. I know I've watched Neewer's videos and she has talked about their highlighters, and I think she might also be like one of the faces for their new foundation. I think it's Ofra. I'm not sure, but I know I've heard her talk about these before. Look at how gorgeous this palette is. Now, $150. That seems way overpriced. I don't know if Ofra is like a high-end brand or what. I would never in my life pay $150 for this. I can fucking guarantee you that, okay? This is a beautiful palette, but $150, like, this is paper, okay? We're talking more than a Pat McGrath mothership for this, which, I mean, this is a ton of product. Like, I would probably never hit pan. This one right here is so, so gorgeous. I mean, they're all beautiful. Let's just swatch them, okay? We'll go with this one. Gorgeous. I don't know. I kind of want to swatch this one like separately and then all together. So let's do that last. Feels very nice. It's a nice texture. Let's just swatch this one all together. Nice. And then this one. Oh, wow. These two, I want to swatch them individually to see how they look. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that's nice. That don't look good on my face. I don't know about that one. Oh, man. Holy shit, look at that gold. You know what? Let's go ahead. It's magnetized, too. It's magnetized. Let's do this gold here. Let's do that gold. Oh. Hello, Mama. I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you.
And Mama.
Oh, your Mama?
And I'm Mama. And I'm Shannon.
I said it. That is.
Shannon.
Okay, maybe these are worth the money. How much does like an individual one cost? Because that's showing up really nicely. Let's do this one. Wow, it just feels good. Okay, I don't have enough fingers for all of those. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay. They don't swatch as well. They really don't swatch as well as I would like them to. But maybe it's because you're supposed to combine all of those browns together. Okay, let's do this one. They feel really nice. I just dirtied that up. Where the hell are we gonna put this? God, I'm ashy. Like horrifically. Yeah, that brown is nice and would work well for me. That's not. The pink is pretty. It would give me a nice pop of color. Let's just go over here. And this is it mixed together. When it's mixed together, it gives you like a peachy tone. Not mad at that. So all in all, love, love, love this box. I could have done without, I don't know, this face cream maybe. Like, you know, it's not like, oh, I'm obsessed with this or I'm so grateful or happy that I got it. But I am definitely not mad or disappointed like I have been the past few months. I mean, the sleep set is cool. I would have definitely have passed on this. The other things like the skincare, cool, whatever. Eyeliner and mascara, definitely don't want that. But the palette, the brushes are nice. The, you know, the skincare, I'm not mad at this. I am happy, okay? So anyway, just a little chatty boxycharm unboxing update on life because I have been MIA for literally like 2 weeks almost, okay? But I've been wrapped up, you know, I've been wrapped up, and then Christmas is coming. I'm halfway done putting, anyway, you know what, I'm gonna ramble. Halfway done putting the Christmas tree up. Follow us on Instagram so that you know everything that's going on before you hear me ramble like this occasionally. And please, please, please subscribe because I have goals that I may be close to. I've been off for like 2 weeks. I've just been like in my own world. So please subscribe and click the bell. Coco's digging into my new stuff over here, my ColourPop stuff. You know, she didn't pull out that Rare Beauty today. That's crazy. Oh, yeah, you want to end it with us?
Yeah.
Okay, let's end it now. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye! Oh, good job. Oh, you can't reach because your arms are too short. You're like a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah, T-Rex.
Bye.
Whoa, careful.
Bye.
Oh, you got some glasses, Coco?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see how they look on you. Oh, yeah.
I can see.
Yeah. Coco.
Too dark.
It's too dark. Coco. Okay.
You're gonna see the light.
Yeah?
See? You're gonna see
No.
the light.
You cannot see the light?
So I didn't know the lipstick.
Oh. I think you did. Coco, are you excited to move?
Yeah.
Yeah? And go to a new house?
I better get the baby. I want to get my makeup.
Oh, you're gonna bring your makeup too?
Yeah. For your cheeky.
Yeah, it's for your cheeky. 100.
Shannon.
You're Shannon? No, you're not. You're Coco. You're not Shannon. You're Yaya Bear.
No,
Coco's name is actually Chloe. You're Chloe.
I'm Chloe.
No, you're not Chloe. You're Kyla.
Not my Chloe.
No, your name is Kyla and your name is Chloe.
And I'm not Chloe. I'm Coco.
Well, you're both. Can I fold this back? Hell no, I can't.